Hello and welcome. Today I finally do the unboxing of my new phone. But before that, I will show you a magic trick. That's right, got a new t-shirt. You can get this also by going to the link in the description. As you see, the screen starts to separate from the screen. It's pretty bad. And I can throw tools at it, but it's time for a new phone, really. So that's what I did. I got a new phone and now you're going to see it slowly, and this is the reveal. You know what this is? You know what it is. It's the Xiaomi Mi 9, the 128GB version, global version. As you see here, it's supported in multiple countries, multiple languages, and the box, that's how it looks like. We can look at the label and see the details about this phone or the model. Triple camera, all new wide angle lens, Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, and wireless charging, really pretty fast. And the best part that I enjoy is the in-screen fingerprint sensor. So that's gonna be pretty nice. Mi 9 piano black, 6GB RAM and 128 gigs of space. Let's get ready for the unboxing. I'm gonna have some tea and get ready for the Topor unboxing. Topor is an axe. So unboxing by Topor. One sliding motion followed by a second sliding motion should open the plastic wrapping. Find the links in the description of this video to check the prices of this phone and also to check the price of Mi Mix 3, which is also a good phone, and the Pocophone F1. They're all by Xiaomi and they're pretty decent. These were my other options. I chose the Mi 9 because of the fingerprint sensor in the screen. And if you use those links, it helps us and you don't pay anything more. It got a mark from the axe. Okay, it's just a box. No big deal. What's important is what's inside, so let's have a look. Check the price of this phone in your area by going to dr.mg/Mi9. The box is opened and first we see some piece of paper that has some nice rainbow effect on it, some holographic design. It looks pretty slick. That's a nice touch, Xiaomi. And behind this box is the actual phone with the details: Mi 9 48 ultra high resolution camera, triple camera, 3 lenses, Qualcomm Snapdragon 855. 20 watts wireless charging, fast charging. That's nice. Okay. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use the wireless charging, but it's nice to have it anyway. So let's see what's in the actual box. This here looks like a smiley face. Do you see the smiley face here? Unfortunately, the phone does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack, and at least it has an adapter for USB Type-C to 3.5mm jack. Still, I would have preferred if it had the headphone jack. At least this one enables you to use your old headphones. I tried multiple pairs of headphones, they work. But it's really flimsy and it looks like it's gonna break pretty fast. There is also a case for the phone, so that's a nice touch. It looks really basic, like just a clear case, nothing special. Smell test. It smells like rubber. It's rubber. Polyurethane, probably. Some paperwork, warranty card, instruction manual. This one you might want to check it out. If you want to read it, just pause the screen. It can take 2 nano SIM cards in the SIM card tray, USB Type-C port, AI button, which is also the Google Assistant button, volume up, volume down, and power button. It's pretty basic. These are the details about what bands are supporting, and let's look at the phone finally. It's a bit difficult to take it out of the box, but okay, like this it works fine. So first impression, it feels pretty solid. It's really shiny, the back is glass, so that's gonna be full of fingerprints pretty fast. Then it's nice, we have the USB Type-C cable, charging and data cable. It's I guess it's 1.5 meters. I got another cable from IKEA. These are pretty good and nice and cheap actually, just as a second option, just an extra. And that's the power adapter. I like it, it's small, light, and it's powerful. These are the specifications, pause to read them. It's ready to use. Phone is ready to have a closer look now. That's the AI button. That's the SIM card tray. You have some sensors and infrared. I think that's the infrared IR blaster. You can use this phone as a remote control, I believe. Volume up and down, and the power button. On the lower side of the phone you find the USB Type-C reversible connector, which is pretty nice, and the speaker and the microphone. And that's pretty much it. On the sides and on the back we have the flash and the 3 cameras. These cameras, they look pretty good, and let's hope they perform good also. The cameras are coming out of the phone a little bit, and I installed the case just to try to see how it feels, and it's not slippery, so that's pretty good. It's not gonna fall out of my hands. Now it's ready to power on, and let's see if it actually works. Didn't actually start it before, it's first time. So just going through the basic setup. The MIUI, it's if you're used to it, I used it before and it seemed okay. Just check your language, your region, you know, the usual setup. I had to add the SIM tray, and it has a rubber seal, but I don't think that rubber seal does much. If you have mobile internet, be sure to actually select a Wi-Fi point before you go at this point, so it doesn't use your data too much. And choose the options you like, and just set up the device step by step. Add the fingerprint, add the password. This is the cool part of it. When you add the fingerprint, it shows you on the screen where you're supposed to put your finger, and look at the light. There's a green light shining under your finger, so it sees it. It's an optical sensor, and it is pretty fast. I will show you how fast it is. It's really fast. I will show you later. Here are the options. You choose what you like, choose the theme. It's nothing complicated so far, and in general it doesn't seem so complicated. These phones, Android went a long way. This is Android 9, by the way, and it's moving really. I mean, there is no lag in the movement. When you open apps, everything happens instantly. Processor is 2.8 gigahertz, 6 gigs of RAM. 113 GB free. Once you have it started and installed, this is useful to know actually how much space you have left. Look at the camera, photo mode. Just checking which lens it's actually used when I'm in different modes. 1x and now it's in 2x. It's the middle camera. I believe it's the middle camera now in 2x mode. The quality looks really good actually. Taking a picture, zooming in to see what's there, you see a lot of detail. It's impressive actually. It's a lot of, for a phone, it's crazy. It's really 1x. Taking a picture, zooming in again. This is not everything. there is something more. There is these ones are nice and clear, but there is a 48 megapixel mode. 48 megapixels. When you take the picture, it takes a while to process it. I think it's doing some noise reduction or something on the picture, but not too long. You zoom in once and then it tells you can double tap again to see a full an HD preview. Look at that. That's a mobile phone picture. It's really crazy. It's really good. Just trying to zoom in and out of the pictures. You see there is a notch on the front of the phone for the camera, for the front-facing camera. I don't think there is a face recognition feature, and I don't really need that anyway. And now let's look at the video. We have 4K mode, and let's look at the other modes. What other modes we have available? These are the settings for video: image stabilization, video quality. We have 4K 30 frames, 60 frames, Full HD 30 and 60, and even 720p if we would really want to do that. 4K 60, and the phone can encode in H.264 and 265. 265 makes the file smaller, but it uses more processor to record and to play back. That's the slow motion option. So 120 frames per second, and let's just trying to record it. It looks decent, it's smooth, and this is the whole idea. 240 frames per second. Again, the same test, recording and playing it back. This is much better, it's a lot smoother. I can imagine water would look nice on this, some water fountain would look nice in the park. So that's the phone. It has nice 3 cameras on the back. The flash works pretty well. It could be a fingerprint magnet with or without the case. One major problem that this phone has, and I believe many new phones have, is that the cameras, they stick out of the phone, and even this one with the case, it has the case on, they're still coming out, and when you put it on the desk, you can scratch the glass. I understand it's super strong glass, Gorilla Glass, Godzilla version 999999. If you put it on the front of the phone, it's also not good. It's also could scratch the glass. So a better case might be needed. Another case might have problems with the wireless charging. So if you want to use wireless charging, be careful what case you choose for this phone. And that's pretty much it. I already use this phone, and it's amazing compared to my old phone. There's no comparison actually. The unlocking, I prefer it like this. I don't want face recognition, face unlock, whatever. And look how pretty it is when you use it. And just a bit longer, you press the finger and it's done. Before I thought the notch on the front of the screen would be really annoying for me, but actually it's not, especially in video. When watching some YouTube video, you don't see it because it's masked by the edges of the screen. So that's surprisingly well taken, and it's also very small, so there is space there for notification icons and lots of things. To check the prices of this phone in your area, check the links in the description, and if you make a purchase there, it helps us. You don't pay more, and you get a good deal. So this is the video, and I hope it helps you to decide if this phone is good enough for you. If not, let me know which phone you decided to buy after all. For me, this one is pretty good. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to this channel already, do that now, subscribe, and also click the bell to get notifications for the new videos uploaded. Tell your friends about the channel, ask them to subscribe, tell them to subscribe to this channel, we will upload more videos. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Bye.